Hi, everyone, and welcome to Eigo Garden.
Hello! 英語ガーデンへようこそ。
Today's lesson is all about feelings and emotions.
感情と気持ちですね。Today, we're going to learn how to express not just basic feelings, but strong feelings.
That's right. We'll look at a basic adjective and then a stronger, extreme adjective to show more emphasis. Let's get started. Our first word is happy.
happy. A very common word. 日本語だと嬉しいですね。
The definition is feeling cheerful and full of joy.
For example, I'm so happy to see you. Or, I passed the test. I'm happy.
But what if you are very, very happy? More than just happy.
Then you can use this word, ecstatic.
Ecstatic. This means extremely happy, overjoyed.
大喜びという感じです。It's much stronger feeling than happy. When I heard the news, I was ecstatic. もう happy じゃ足りない。もう ecstatic という感じ。
Okay, our next pair is scared.
Scared.
Feeling afraid or anxious.
怖いですね。
I'm scared of spiders.
クマ怖い。
I was scared during the movie.
This is the normal, everyday word for frightened. But what if you feel extremely scared?
If you are extremely scared, you are terrified. This means extremely scared, very frightened.
So scared is kawaii, but terrified is 恐ろしい。もうものすごく怖い。
You can see the difference in the pictures. This rabbit is scared. This man is terrified.
On to the next one. Tired.
Tired. I feel this way often.
Me too. It means needing rest or sleep.
疲れたです。I worked all day. I'm tired. A very common feeling.
But what about when you are very tired?
もう疲れたを通り越して。
You are exhausted.
Exhausted means very tired, completely worn out. You are not just tired, you are exhausted. After running a marathon, you are not tired, you are exhausted. Okay, our last pair, excited.
Excited.
Feeling eager and enthusiastic.
ワクワクするですね。I'm excited about my trip to Hokkaido.
Are you excited for the weekend? It's a very positive feeling.
In the extreme version? Thrilled.
thrilled この th の f の発音が大事。
Extremely excited and happy.
大興奮 excited よりももっと強いワクワクです。
I was thrilled to win the lottery.
She was thrilled to meet her favorite actor.
It's a wonderful word to show strong, happy emotion.
So, let's quickly review what we've studied.
Happy and ecstatic.
Scared and terrified.
Tired and exhausted.
And excited and thrilled.
Using these extreme adjectives will make your English sound much more natural.
Try to use them. ぜひ使ってみてください。
Thank you for watching this Eigo Garden lesson.
If you want to learn more, please visit us online for more lessons and materials.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.